Welcome to the intro series on administration, because administration makes the trust real. Most people think trusts run on documents. They don't. They run on discipline. In this video, you'll learn how trusts stay alive through practice, real administration, real oversight, real leadership. If you've already created your trust or planning to, this is the part most people skip. So don't let that person be you. People spend weeks setting up a trust, then ignore it for years, hoping it'll run itself. That's when things fall apart. And if you're watching this, you're likely the type of person that's not going to let that happen. This video is your introduction to the core practices that bring a trust to life. We'll cover oversight, bookkeeping, contracts, and education. What we don't need is poor communication or missed records. If you've ever lost a deal because you misplaced some paperwork, you already know how this turns out. In this series, I'll walk you through every key document step by step. Now would be a good time to subscribe so YouTube can't decide when and how you see the next video. Stay away from trustees who don't meet, don't learn, and don't adapt. Eventually, they'll become liabilities. One wrong choice here can undo everything else. These are the 10 principles that keep trust alive. 1. Active oversight. Every trust needs someone watching the moving parts. They ensure forms are complete, signatures are correct, and nothing is skipped. This is the mind of the trust. Often that person may be you, and it's not about perfection. It's about consistency. 2. Trustee learning sessions. Twice a year, at least, trustees must meet, not just to vote, but to understand. Understand here, alignment is powerful. 3. Contracts drive the money. No agreement, no income. Every vendor, worker, or partner must have terms, or chaos eventually follows. 4. Asset records and tracking. You cannot protect what you cannot see. Tracking property is both defense and discipline. 5. Financial management. Every dollar has a story. Proper books reveal what's healthy and what's not. 6. Family roles become shared enterprise. The trust lets families trade passivity for purpose. It's not just perfection or protection, it's participation. 7. Preparing the next generation. Children don't inherit wisdom by blood, although we like to think they do. We'll say, "Oh, he's so smart," or "She's so smart, she must get that from her daddy. She must get that from her mommy." Mommy a teacher, daddy a doctor, daddy an engineer, mommy in computer science. We just think the kid gonna be smart. That's not the case. Children learn by doing, by watching, asking, recording, helping. Even small tasks like helping track receipts, making deposits, all begin to shape real stewards. 8. Ongoing administrative duties. The executive secretary becomes the keeper of the records and the maker of the routine. Repetition becomes order. 9. Skill building. The best trustees are made, not born. Courtrooms, ledgers, minutes, each is a training ground. Last but not least, 10. When order is restored. And when it all falters, it can be rebuilt. Trusts don't collapse in a moment. They come apart slowly and can be restored just as methodically. Now you've seen the 10 principles that make this structure work. Oversight, meetings, contracts, records, money, family, youth, routine, skills, and recovery. None of this is theoretical. It's practical, it's learnable, and is necessary if you want to protect anything. I will say it do feel good to be back. I've read your comments, and it's clear most of you are serious about doing this the right way. So am I. Below this video, you'll find 2 free tools to help you start right. A sample privacy agreement for officers handling sensitive documents, and a sample officer designation form to clarify roles and responsibilities across the trust. Download them, amend them. They will need amendments to fit whatever you're doing. Use them, pass them on to your group. If you need clarity, leave a comment or email me. Both these tools are samples to get your mind going in the right direction. If you're the one they'll look to when the time comes, these will help you stay ready. Remember, this channel is for those who want to protect without permission, lead without being loud, and pass on more than money. Everything here is built for clarity, privacy, and precision, so you can move forward with confidence. See you in the next video. Peace.